Hey everyone, Katie and I are here at Haystack, just east of Lone Pine. Today we are going to be scrambling all the way to the high point of Haystack. Should make for a pretty good workout, get some good scrambling in, maybe up to class 4. But yeah, we'll see. Now up through here and around to the right. All right, I think me and Katie found a path up. Pretty steep looking still, but we'll make it work. Cars down there. All right, we're about midway up, maybe. Definitely a cardiac check. You can kind of see Whitney, not Whitney, just poking out over there. The high point is somewhere around this crag. There's Katie. You can just see how rough the terrain is. Kind of reminds us of Joshua Tree. Definitely get a lot of route finding experience. I think we're going down a different way than we came up. I'm gonna head down this gully that drops off the other side. The car should be somewhere on the other side of this mound down by the road. You can see the road right down there. A little too far to the east, but nothing to worry about.